Dear children, today we will continue with 3-digit numbers with the topic before, after and between. This topic you have done with 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. Now today we will continue it with 3-digit numbers. Let us see a number series 435, 436, 437, 438, 439. Now if we take number 436 and we want to know the number which comes after 436, then we can check this series, and here we can easily see that 436, 437. It means after 436 we have 437. And how you are moving? You are moving forward. So to get the number which is after a given number, we move forward. Another thing, to get a number which comes after, we add +1 to it. Here you can see how we read this number. 436 means you say 4 and then you say tens and ones together, 436, and when you add 1 to it, it becomes 437. It means to get a number which comes after, we move forward, we add 1 to it. Okay, again I am repeating, to get the number which comes after the given number, we count forward, and other thing is we can add +1 to the given number to get the number which comes after. Now if we have to find out which number comes before 436, then what we have to do? We have to move backward. Means, read it carefully, 436, and when we move backward, before 36 comes 35. So here we have 435. It means when we subtract 1 from the given number, we get the number which comes before it. So here, to get the number which comes before, we move backward or we subtract 1 from the given number. Now to find the number which comes between, we can take example of 437 and let's see. Now here, read the number 436. What comes after 36? 37. And the 101, that is 4, will remain same. Now move to the next. 437, then 438. So 437 comes between 436 and 438. So children, to get the number which comes after, you move forward or you add 1 to the given number. To get the number which comes before, you move backward or you subtract 1 from the given number. So this way you can easily find the number which comes after before and between the given two numbers. Children, now let us practice before, after and between with the help of these exercises. In the first exercise, we will write the number that comes before the given number. So let us start with the first one. First number is 590. So how we are reading it? 590. 100 at one go and tens and ones at one go. That is 590. So here when you will write the number before, 5, that is hundreds one, will remain same, and the other two number, what comes before 90? 89. So here you will write 89. So hundreds will remain same, and with the help of tens and ones, we will get the number which comes before it. You can subtract 1 from 90 and get 89, or you can backward count and get the number 89. Now the next number is 809. Again the 101 you will write as it is. Now you can subtract 1 from the other two number, or you can do the backward counting. So when we do the backward counting, what comes before 9? 8. So here the number will come 0 and 8. Or you can subtract 1 from 9 and then you will get 8 and you can write it. And at tens place you can see 0, so you can copy down 0. Now you can do C and F on your own. Now come to D. Here you can see the number is 900. 9 and then on tens and ones place we have 0, 0. So children, whenever there is 0, the number before 0 is 9. So we will write 9 in place of this 0, then again a 9 in place of this 0, and when we come to hundreds place, then we will subtract 1. 9 minus 1 will give 8. So whenever we have 0, 0 at both the places, that is tens and ones, in place of 0 we will write 9, and in place of 100 the digit will be subtracted with number 1 and then it is written. If it is 9, then we will subtract 1 from 9 and we will write 8. So this way we can do E and then F. Now come to next, that is 600. First you can write 600 in the numeral form, that is 600. Now you can do easily as we have done 900. Now the next is 212. Again you write this number as 212, and now you can write the number which comes before. 2 is at hundreds place, so you write 2 like that only, and then what comes before 12? 11. So you write 11 here. Now because the question is given in the word form, you will write the answer as 211. So same way you will do this one also in the words form, and here also 956. First you will write in the numerical value and then you will write the answer in the words. Now let us find out the number which comes after a given number. Children, to find out the number which comes after, we do forward counting or we add 1 to the given number. So here the first given number is 329. Here we write ones, tens and then hundreds. The hundreds number will remain same, and then we will add 1 to the next two number, that is 29 plus 1 will give 30, or we simply do forward counting and after 29 we get 30. So, the next number after 329 will be 330. Now, the next one is 981. Again, the digit at hundreds place will be written as it is, and then we add 1 to the next two digit. 81 plus 1 will give 82, or we do the forward counting. So, after 81 what number comes? 82. So, the next number will be 982. Now, here the sum number G is given in words 899. So, first we will write the numeral value for it. Now, what comes after 899? Here we have 99. What comes after 99? 100. So, we cannot write 100 and then we write 8. It is wrong. So, what we will do? We will write 0, 0 and this one will be added with 8, and we have 8 plus 1, that is 9. So, the next number is 900, and here we will write 900. Now, the next 381. So, first we will write 381. Now, we will write 3 as it is, and after 81 we have 82. So, here we will write in verse, that is 382. So, this way we can complete this exercise, that is write the number which comes after. Moving to the next topic, that is to find out the number that comes in between. Let us take an example of these two numbers, that is 709 and 711. So, here we have 7 at hundreds place and 09 at tens and ones place. So, let us find out the number which comes after 709, and how we will find out? For after we do the forward counting, or we add plus 1 to the numbers. Now, 7 will remain as it is, and we do the forward counting, that is after 9 we have 10. So, here we can write 10, or we can add 1 to this number and then we can get 10. And you can check by reading the next number, that is 711. Now, let us take one more number, that is 464 and then 466. Now, here we can find out the number by using the concept of the number before. So, here we have 4 at hundreds place. So, here we will write 4, and now we have 66. So, to find out the number before, we will do the backward counting. B for before, B for backward counting. So, before 66, when do we do backward counting? We have 65, or when we minus 1 from 66, we have 65. Now, we can read 464, 465, 466. So, this way you can solve and find out the number which comes between by using after or before concept.